Hello everyone, my name is Oscar and I'm here to talk to you about the Open Educational Resources Commons. This is a public digital library in which educators can explore, create, and collaborate with one another in order to improve their curriculum. One thing I do want to mention is that if you want to explore this digital library, you do not need an account, but if you do want to use it to its full extent, I recommend that you do. And in order to do that, you first click on sign in and register. Go ahead and click register account. Once you fill in your first, last name, and email and confirm that you're not a robot, you will be sent to a page in which your email will allow you to open up your profile, and from there, once you log in, you're able to use the Open Educational Resources. One thing I do recommend is that you go to your profile information and edit your profile. This will definitely allow you to connect more with other educators. It'll definitely give you an opportunity to make your page unique to what you want, and it'll modify your searches. So once you do that, let's go ahead and go to Discover Resources. If you notice, there's a subject area in all core subjects, including non-core subjects. Material types, you can look for activities, assessments, case studies, lesson plans, syllabus, all different types that I encourage you to explore. One thing that I do recommend is that you subscribe to the Open Educational Resources newsletter. They will definitely give you a lot of information that you need. And let's go ahead and click on one. I'm going to click on mathematics. Now, if you notice, there are 6,309 results. Let's go ahead and reduce that to just pre-calculus. And in pre-calculus, there's 25 results. You can edit or filter as you please by educational standard, by subject area, language, media format, and so forth. If you notice, there's ratings here. If you see a rating, that means somebody has already looked at it and worked with it and has rated it. So if you notice over here, we click on this pre-calculus where somebody has put 5 stars in it. They even put some comments. You can even see some tags as to what type of material is included in this resource, and then different alignments and standards. Once you click on the resource, you can view it. Notice that you can even share it on Google Classroom, which is very useful. And this is definitely a nice little tool that can help us and make our life so much easier when it comes to using this in the classroom. As we continue, you can even save some of these resources. You can save them, and you can create a new folder or put it in a current folder and share with your students. If you even want to create a resource, you can share it with your students. All you have to do is just create a title, a picture, a main content. You can even preview it for your students. So if you needed to create a resource, you can save it, you can view it, you can even share it on Google Classroom, put any alignments and evaluations, tags, and so forth. So I hope that you found this useful. I hope that you think about how you can use it in the classroom. I know that I can use it in the classroom in many different ways, especially when it comes to the resources and when I need help in order to make sense of my content and just collaborate with other teachers. Thank you so much for your time, and have a blessed